Hi everyone! Today we're learning about colors. Red. Here's a red ball. Blue. Here's a blue ball. Yellow. Here's a yellow ball. Green. Here's a green ball. Orange. Here's an orange ball. Purple. Here's a purple ball. Pink. Here's a pink ball. Brown. Here's a brown ball. Gray. Here's a gray ball. Black. Here's a black ball. White. Here's a white ball. Great job! Now you know so many colors. See you next time.